Literacy and Math, Group 3. Content literacy and disciplinary literacy are closely related, but not the exact same concepts. Disciplinary literacy focuses on teaching students how to read, write, listen, and speak to be successful in content specific areas. So, for example, teaching them how to speak and read a history report as a historian would, or teaching them to write about a painting as an artist would. Content literacy focuses on providing students the reading and writing and speaking and listening skills they need to be successful in any content area. For example, teaching them how to use a KW chart to take notes in science or math class, or using their building background skills in math or science. According to the Wisconsin Public Instruction Department, mathematical literacy is defined as being able to do, understand, and apply math, not only in the classroom, but everyday lives. So students are able to think deeply and communicate with others about the words and concepts in the text. The texts that are frequently used to teach these skills will be discussed in future slides. The skills, as defined by the Wisconsin Department of Public Instruction, are reasoning and explaining, generalizing and seeing structure, making and using tools, and problem solving and perseverance. When a student is able to reason and explain, they're able to present a claim and prove or disprove it. So they're able to prove or disprove, as demonstrated in the example, which shapes have four sides, which shapes have four equal sides, and which shapes just have equal sides. Using the same example, students would also be able to disprove the perimeter of other shapes by using the same diagram. Generalizing and seeing structure in math problems is a critical requirement in becoming mathematically literate because when students can generalize numbers and concepts such as single digit multiplication concepts, then they're able to transfer that knowledge to higher order thinking functions. Along with reasoning and explaining, modeling and using tools allow students to demonstrate their math ability using a diagram. Math modeling is simply reading a math text and deciphering what it means to get a solution. Problem solving and perseverance is the last demand, according to the Wisconsin Department. This skill is very similar to the process writers use in writing a paper. They are first able to understand, which is similar to the pre-writing process. Then their mathematically literate students are able to plan which strategy they're going to use, which is very similar to drafting a paper. Then they do the problem, which is similar to revising and editing, and then they're able to explain their work or publish it. Once students have done all four steps in the problem solving process, if they don't get the answer that they think they should get or one that makes sense to them, then they're able to persevere and go back to step one and start all over.